Okay, so this book is from Brooks, from the book fair, and this one is called Little Excavator. Here come the big rigs rolling down the street. Thump a thump, bump a bump, beep, beep, beep. Can you see the little E ready on the spot? He's the little excavator working on the lot. Wham goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble, crumble, crumble, fall, fall, fall. Little E is busy. He goes bam, bam, bam. Uh-oh, little excavator, now you're in a jam. Grum goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Pusher, pusher, smusher, smusher, smash, smash, smash. Little E tries lifting up some junk, 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 but there goes little excavator over with the clunk. Drum goes the dump truck with the load to lug. Tunka, tunka, clunka, clunka, chug, chug, chug. Little E just wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator, don't get in the way. Brum goes the backhoe digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang, work, work, work. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator. Someday when you are big. Whirr goes the tall crane, rising to the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, swoosh, swoosh. High, high, high. Little E is stretching. He gets tall, tall, tall. Sorry, little excavator, you are too small. Now there's one last job and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it, not a single one. Everybody tries it and it's much too tight. But can it be? Little E fits just right. Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. There's work to do just for you here and now. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go. The end.